a wire set packaged with 6P. This one is the R4A 40 slot cable. This one is USB antenna. This one is Bluetooth reverse wheel antenna. This one is 4G antenna. This one is GPS antenna. This one is CAN bus. This one is power cable. This one is CAN bus connector. This one is mounting bracelet. This car's central conscious navigation screen is especially designed for 2022-2026 Toyota Land Cruiser LC300 GR Sport edition. It features a 12.3-inch high-definition display with a resolution of 2400 x A96, powered by an Acro-UIS 7870 processor equipped with 8GB RAM plus 256 GB ROM. It delivers smooth operation, fast response, and a large capacity storage for navigation, multimedia, and vehicle system function. Okay, this is the front side of the central control screen. This is the rear side of the central control screen. Look at the central control screen. Here is 3 buttons for you. Look at the first one. This button can value down. This button can value up. And in the circle, it can help you to mute the sound. The 3 cards can all be replaced. Tap this 3 dot button, plugin selection. Here are so many selections for you. You can choose one you like, and then another 2 can be replaced too. And you can see there is 3 dot button on the top. Tap it to drag it out, and you can change the position freely as you like. Also, you can see on the side is a button. Tap it and drag it out, and you can enlarge the car to its original size twice. Swipe down the screen and you can enter the drawdown menu, and you can see the screensaver here. Tap it, and you can see the screensaver is so beautiful. Also, you can adjust the brightness here and the value here. And also, this is the night mode for you. How to change the themes of the original car interface. Long press the menu, and you can see there are 4 things here, 6 things here. You can choose one you like and back. And you have changed successfully. How to change the car model. Long press the car model, and then choose one you like and tap this icon, and you can change the car model directly. How to customize the starter bar. Look at the starter bar. Long press any icon, and then choose one you like, and you can change the starter bar successfully. Look at the menu. Here, there are so many app for you. Okay, tap the menu, and you can see there's so many app here. Look at the local app. This is the Bluetooth. This is the setting. Look at the setting. This is the Wi-Fi. You can connect to the Wi-Fi. This one is the GPS info. This one is general, and there are so many functions here. Look at the factory. Enter with the password 336A. Here, you can adjust the function whatever you like. This one is the wire setting. This one is the protocol setting. This one is the display. Here, you can adjust the backlight brightness here. In the day or the night. This one, backlight brightness control. You can buy lamp, but also buy time. And also, you can cluster adjustment time into your favorite. Here, there's 2 things for you. The first one is the moonlight white. Look at this, it's very good. Look at the moonlight blue. This is the sound, and here you can adjust the sound mixing scale. This is the app. You can see what the app you have already downloaded. This is the storage. Here you can know how many free storage do you have still. This is the location, password, and system. Here, language. Here you can change the language by absent language into whatever you like. Just like you want to French, just tap the French. And one more time, and tap this again, and the language will go into French. Look at the equalizer here. This first one is the DTS. This one is the equalizer. You can make it into whatever you like. Standard, rock, soft, classic, popular. This one is the surround sound. And here's 4 mode for you. Driving mode, co-pilot mode, rear card mode, vehicle mode. This one is the stereo sound enhancement. Reverberation, bass boot, sound filtering. Look at the vehicle setting here. This is the chair info, his shift, bass, amplifier, TPM, set R. Okay, now let's see the coupling. Look at the Play Store. Tap the Play Store. There's so many app for you. Here, there's so many games for you too. And you can search for the app you want. There are so many internet book here, and you can download wherever you want to read in your car when you're driving. Okay, now look at the YouTube. Tap the YouTube and you can see there's so many video here you can watch on your car. Here, this is the short video. Look at the Google Map here. Here, you can search for the destination wherever you want, and then direction. Here, there are so many options for you. It's very convenient when you're driving. This is the music player. Here you can hear the music. Go to the next song, the private song. This is the playlist. This one is the postcard. If you have FM, just FM. If you have AM, just AM. This is the coupling. After you connect your phone, you can hear the music here. This is the online postcard. Here are so many options for you.